What's up guys, कैसे सबै जना? This is Dragon from Nepal with another special unboxing. So today I'm unboxing my new video editing slash gaming laptop, that is MSi GL638RE. Let's go through the specs real quick. It's got i7-8750H hexa-core processor. For the graphics card, it's got gaming beast NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 6GB DDR5. For the RAM, it has got a single stick 16GB DDR4 memory, which is upgradable up to 32GB. So now let's cut this open, shall we? Finally, let's unbox this. Let's remove this cardboard. So first, you get this MSI contact info. Let's keep it aside. So this is your laptop. Let's put it aside too and check what else comes in the box. So you get your books. Yeah, we really don't need it. Here you can find the charging brick. The brick is 180 watts. Let's confirm it. Yes, it is 180 watts. Now the code for the brick. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's keep this box aside. So guys, it's the moment of truth. Whoa, the matte look and the MSI looks stunning. So on the top, we have the MSI Dragon logo. We get two giant exhaust grill at the back. The bottom is well designed for the maximum airflow. Now let's see the post. On the left, we have one Kensington locked, a giant grill exhaust grill, one RJ45 port, one HDMI port, one mini display port 1.2, both supporting 4K, one Type A 3.1 and Type C 3.1, one headphone out with SPDIF and one mic. The Type C is not Thunderbolt 3. On the front, you get 3 notification lights from network, charging and the CPU. On the right, you have one full-size SD card slot, two USB Type A 3.1 Gen 1, a big exhaust, and a charging plug. So you get two speaker grills facing downwards. Just open it up. So you got a 6 cell 41 watt hour battery, and it gets SteelSeries red backlit keyboard.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass. Oh, you want me to start trying now?
Looted bear. Either someone stole the cargo after the monster attack.
Supporters are going crazy. It's a terrific moment for the team. Barcelona have put the ball in the net.
The defenders seem to lose the concentration almost. They saw it coming from a long way out.
Let's see the replay now.